Good morning, everybody. Today we're looking at the Oregon 410 chain sharpener. This, I don't know if you can tell from all the dust and grime, has been in use with us for quite a while, and I feel confident in reviewing it now. It is an absolutely phenomenal tool. The amount of consistency it generates and the time savings is second to none. As you can see, I've got spare abrasive wheels up here. This is the one we use most commonly. It's got a side cover that I have off right now because we're getting ready to swap wheels. But I've got a chain in here. It's extremely easy to use. Don't be intimidated by all of the controls on this or adjustments. Up here you can adjust the pitch of your head. You can see how it's moving down at an angle. Right down here, yeah, you can still see it. By undoing this, you can change the tooth angle. So let me grab a chain here. Let's see, that adjusts that angle right there. So you can see it's going like that. That is what this knob does. You can pivot it either way to get the appropriate angle, and then it also allows the chain to flop side to side. Probably using the wrong terminology, but it flops side to side for your opposite side teeth, your left and right teeth. So overall, extremely easy to use. Those are some of the most commonly used controls right here, which you can't see the knob in the image, but right back here that adjusts how far forward the stop is for your tooth, so it adjusts how much is cut off per cut. So I'm going to cut a couple teeth here for you. It's got a light that comes on automatically. You can hear how quiet it is. It's really phenomenal. But it's that easy. Now I'm going to undo the chain. Come up to the next one. There we go. This is a 115 link chain. This is for my 36-inch bar. And so you can imagine that's a lot of teeth to sharpen. And this, I mean, we are flying through it. There's something to be said about a good hand-filed chain, but you cannot beat the speed and consistency of this. So it's that easy. We just sharpened a handful of teeth. I highly recommend it. We mill a lot of lumber. We cut wood to heat our homes, and this is what sharpens all of our chains, and we cannot be happier with it.